Hello, amazing traders, and welcome once again. And in this video, I'll be doing pure price action reading and how to use basic chart patterns to increase your profitability. As a profitable trader, or you are a beginner, or you are just starting out, understanding raw price action reading gives you an edge over others. If you can now understand pure price action reading, if you can understand chart patterns, it increases your profitability. And in this raw price action reading, I'll quickly do unknown price action, unknown chart patterns that traders have been using that they do not want to tell you. Because when it comes to when I started, one of the things I usually look for is every market is different. And I always look for what is the best way to be profitable. How can I become better? What are the easiest way? Is there any chart patterns that is specifically different from other chart patterns? Because if each market are extremely different from each other, then what are the characteristics of market A that will give me an edge, that will give me something different? And I've searched for it over and over, but eventually I found it. So without wasting much of our time, welcome once again. My name is Sean Forex. And if you have not subscribed, if it is your first time, please click the subscribe button on your notifications. And at the end of the video, if you like what you saw, please subscribe. So without wasting much of our time, this is raw price action reading and this is 1 hour. And I'll be quickly bringing out simple basic indicator, which is trend line. And right now, let's see what market is doing. Now, in 1 hour time frame, this is called symmetric chart pattern. Symmetric chart pattern simply means that when market is buying and selling, market usually do higher high and higher low. But fortunately, market reaches a certain level in which the candles will not be printing higher high or higher low again. It will be contracting. Some will call it consolidating. So, but that consolidation is always different. And as you can see now, market has been contracting for the past few hours, for more than 24 hours right now. So we are expecting now, market can either do two things: break out of this structure, retest, and continue and change structure to buy side liquidity. Or market can decide to break this support level, turn it to resistance, and move to sell side liquidity. But you have to understand, before you click any buy and sell button, you must understand what market is about to do to avoid market manipulation. Yes, market manipulation exists, and understanding that is an advantage for you. Now, I have to plot this key level in order to see what market is doing, because it's so easy now with what is happening here now. If market can break this structure and retest, and you have to understand that raw price action reading all works in different time frame as much as they work in higher time frame. Chart patterns work in lower time frame, they work in higher time frame. But the difference is reliability. Chart patterns in higher time frame are much more reliable, than lower time frame. Yes, in higher time frame, because higher time frame takes a lot of hours. For example, this is 30-minute time frame, and each of these candles were forming 30-minute time frame. So each one of them forming 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30. It took 30 minutes. It took 30 minutes time frame for each candle formation to complete. This is 30 minutes. Whereas in 4 hours, each of these candle, it took market 1 hour candle formation before this market form. And this is 1 hour time frame. Then what is now happening in 4 hour time frame? Is the same market? Is the same chart pattern still valid? Yes. Let me delete this chart and show you guys. This is 4 hour time frame right now. And in 4 hour 2, market has been doing the same thing. Yes, this is 4 hour time frame. So chart patterns of 30 minutes also have a way of playing out in higher time frame. But the difference is that 4-hour time frame chart patterns will be much more reliable than 30 minutes. Why? Because 4-hour time frame, each of these candle, it took market complete 4 hours before this time frame. Yes, before this chart patterns formation complete. 4 hours time frame. It took market 4 hours. And one of the easiest way to understand what market you do now, this market now, for you to, if you are taking this trade in 4-hour time frame, the best thing to do is to allow market to complete this consolidation here. Because if market can complete this consolidation and break out of this structure in this 4-hour time frame, which this is what I mean. Since market has been contracting for the past 24 hours plus, so we are expecting market, I'm expecting market to do something like this, then break this structure and retest. Is either market retest at this key level or come to this key level. That will be the best form of retest, or retest around here. Yes, if market can break out of this key level to this key level and retest this resistance level, it simply means that this 4-hour time frame is now valid. And what should we be expecting? We can now be expecting the pure market movement to move. And in daily time frame, this is daily time frame, and daily time frame also, market is still playing the same game. In daily time frame is still happening. This is daily time frame. So which means that our analysis is still valid in daily time frame. So in order to, now you can take your profitability can be taken here. Let me go back to 4-hour time frame in order to show you guys more. Now, in 4-hour time frame, the best place to take your profit is here, because yes, because market can decide to finish, turn back around here, which is one. Now you can see that this is psychological key level. This is 189,300, and this is one of the secret of GBP JPY that nobody is telling you about. And that's one of the reasons that professional trader usually says that give yourself time to trade one pair for a very long period of time in order to understand the psychology of that market. Because understanding, if each market are extremely different from each other, understanding the psychology behind each one of them will give you an edge over others. And this is one of the secret chart patterns that usually form in GBP JPY in either 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, even in daily time frame, weekly time frame, that nobody is telling you about, that I've been able to find out. So if you can understand this chart pattern, and especially GBP JPY, and check it out often, they are amazing. It's one of the best chart patterns that can increase your profitability. Please, if you are watching to right now, if you find this channel valuable, please click the subscribe button on your notifications and share with friends and family. That's one of the few things you can do to help us grow this channel better. So this is one, thank you. So this is one of the amazing chart patterns that can increase your profitability without clicking buy sell every time, because maybe you are already clicking buy and sell and you are wondering why is market not play into your way. Just come to 1 hour or 4-hour time frame, find the symmetric chart patterns, draw the resistance level, draw the support level, and wait for the retest. Once market retest that key level, if it bounce to support level and market retest it, this is what I'm saying. Let's say market come to this key level now and now bounce back, retest this key level, then I already know that yes, then it means that market is already planning to move to buy side liquidity. And that's one of the special secret chart patterns that is extremely effective, that if you can study it very well, give yourself time, over and over and over and over and over, continuously watching the market, you will find out that it is a blunt truth. That is one of the special secret chart patterns that is commonly being used by a professional trader in GBP JPY, especially GBP, JPY, Mr. Beast. If you can understand that chart patterns, that one alone can increase your profitability. And that's one of the things that is necessary. So, and that's one of the advantage of chart patterns. And that's one of the, now, if you go to gold right now, gold analysis, you will never find this chart pattern. You will never find it. If you find it maybe once in a while. Gold analysis also have its own specific chart patterns. I will run it later on in the future. It has its distinct chart patterns that is peculiar to gold most of the time. That is extremely peculiar to gold. That is not common, that if you are looking for it, just wait for gold and within few days it will print it out. This is GBP JPY. This symmetric chart patterns is one of the common chart patterns that always form and is always effective. And that's all I have for you guys today. Watch it, go back to your chart, draw it. It's as simple as ABC. You can see how market this contraction. Just draw the key level. You can come for 4 hour or 1 hour time frame. Draw it and be patient for market reaction. Yes. So because the purpose of drawing this support level and resistance level is market can decide to touch this key level and now pull up. Because if market touch this key level and now bounce back to buy side liquidity and test this key level, it means that it will trap all the sellers that are in this market right now, that are shorting this market. It will trap them completely. But if market can come to this key level and retest this key level back, then it means that it has verified that the chart patterns is extremely correct and effective. And that's one of the few things that, because you need to have different strategy that can work for different time frame. And that is why each market are extremely different. Gold is different from GBP, JPY. US30 is extremely different from EuroCAD. For example, if you are trading GBP USD now, the most common chart patterns in GBP USD is double top and double bottom. If you are coming here to this key level to find double top and double bottom, you will find it, but it's once in a while. But this symmetric chart patterns is, oh my God, always showing, always showing. So if you can understand this secret and know how to use it, it can increase your profitability anytime, any day. So that is all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way again next time. Be safe.